Let's talk about another revolutionized technology known as chatbots and virtual assistants. Imagine you are ordering spare parts for your factory late at night. Instead of waiting until the next morning to talk to a customer service agent, a chatbot on the supplier's website instantly answers your query, checks product availability, provides shipping details, and even helps you place the order. This simple but powerful interaction is saving countless hours for companies and customers across industries, including supply chains. Now let's define the concept in detail. Chatbots are computer programs designed to simulate conversations with humans, often used to answer common questions, guide users, or perform simple tasks. Virtual assistants are our next type, which go beyond chatbots by providing personalized support, integrating with multiple systems, and performing more complex actions like scheduling, managing workflows, or analyzing data. A simple example is a chatbot that answers, "Where is my shipment?" while a virtual assistant can track the shipment, analyze delays, and even suggest alternative routes. So how does this technology work step by step? First, the user types or speaks a query, such as, "Track my delivery." Second, the system uses natural language processing to understand the intent behind the question. Third, the chatbot or virtual assistant fetches relevant data from connected systems like ERP, CRM, or transportation management platforms. Finally, it presents the answer or completes the task in real time, often in just a few seconds. There are multiple uses of this technology. In logistics, chatbots can provide 24/7 shipment tracking and delay notifications to customers. In warehousing, virtual assistants can help managers quickly check stock levels or generate reports without logging into complex systems. In procurement, they can handle repetitive supplier queries, freeing up employees for more strategic work. Research shows that companies using conversational AI save thousands of work hours every year. Now let's look at a real case study. DHL, the global logistics leader, introduced its AI-powered virtual assistant named Parcelcopter Chat in 2021 to handle millions of shipment inquiries across different regions. Previously, call centers were overwhelmed with tracking requests and delivery questions, leading to long wait times for customers. With this virtual assistant, DHL automated over 60% of these interactions, reducing response time from minutes to seconds. They reported improved customer satisfaction scores and significant operational savings as fewer manual interventions were required. So in a nutshell, we simply saw that chatbots answer quick questions while virtual assistants handle deeper integrated tasks. Together, they are transforming how supply chains communicate, save time, and enhance customer experience. Hopefully you liked this concept, and I believe this is another amazing learning you have today, as chatbots and virtual assistants are no longer optional, but a must-have technology in modern supply chains.